Meta just announced something that will destroy millions of jobs by 2026. And I'm not talking about factory workers or drivers. I'm talking about graphic designers, copywriters, marketing agencies, and anyone who makes a living creating ads. What I'm about to show you isn't speculation. This is Meta's official roadmap, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first, most comprehensive educational and implementation solution for work professionals and organizations. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage. Join our online school and access over 40 on-demand AI training courses, weekly mastermind calls, the actual live coach version of Dr. McCoy, trained on Julia's best wisdom, and more at firstmovers.ai/labs. While everyone was worried about chatbots, Julia saw the real threat coming: complete automation of the creative process. And now Meta just confirmed everything she warned about. Here's what Meta revealed last week that should terrify every creative professional. By 2026, their advertising platform will be fully automated. Here's how it works. Upload your product images, set your budget and goals. AI generates all visuals, video, and copy. AI handles targeting, optimization, and placement. AI provides real-time personalization across Instagram and Facebook. Zuckerberg's exact words: any business can tell us the result they want and the price they'll pay, and we do the rest. This isn't just about making ads easier to create. This is about replacing the entire creative workforce. Meta's automation follows a predictable three-phase pattern that will reshape everything. Phase 1, 2025, the creative cliff. AI agents begin handling routine campaign optimization. Simple ad creation becomes fully automated. Creative agencies start laying off junior staff, and freelance copywriters see demand plummet. We should have seen this coming from miles away, though. AI was replacing copywriting back in 2023. Phase 2, 2026, the mass replacement. This is when complete creative automation goes live. AI generates video, graphics, and copy better than 90% of humans. Marketing agencies must pivot to AI oversight or die, and creative director roles become extinct. In Phase 3, 2027, we have the new reality. Only the top 1% of creative talent survives. Businesses shift to results as a service models. Traditional advertising agencies become historical artifacts, and creative work becomes pure commodity. This isn't like previous tech disruptions. When computers replaced typewriters, secretaries became computer operators. When digital cameras replaced film, photographers learned Photoshop. But this time, AI isn't just changing the tools, it's replacing the entire creative process. Here's what makes Meta's approach unstoppable. It's better. AI can test thousands of variations simultaneously. It's faster. Campaigns can launch in minutes, not days. No more waiting on slow or missing humans. It's cheaper. No salaries, no overhead, no creative fees. A dream for every ad buyer. It's data-driven. Every decision backed by real-time performance metrics. And here's the kicker. Early results show AI-generated campaigns are already outperforming human-created ones by 30–40%. Meta isn't alone. Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, and every other ad platform are building identical systems. Why? Because they have to. When Meta offers fully automated campaigns that outperform traditional agencies at 1/10 the cost, every competitor must match or die. This creates a cascade effect. Ad platforms automate everything. Agencies lose their competitive advantage if all they were doing was uploading ads. Brands realize they don't need agencies. Creative professionals become unemployable, and the entire industry restructures around AI-first models. But here's what most people don't understand. This creates massive opportunities for those who adapt first. The future belongs to offer engineers. People who craft irresistible propositions AI can't replicate. This is what we help our members do inside our R&D labs. AI orchestrators. Professionals who manage multiple AI systems across platforms will win. I've talked about this before. Results architects. Specialists who design outcome-based business models will win. We've got AI tools in our labs that help you do this. Experienced designers, creators who focus on what AI can't do. Human connection will win. The companies pivoting to AI-first human-guided models now will dominate their industries. I'm not trying to scare you, I'm trying to wake you up. Every major AI breakthrough follows the same pattern. 1. Experts say it's impossible. 2. Early versions prove it's possible but limited. 3. Sudden breakthrough makes it better than humans. 4. Mass adoption destroys entire industries. I believe we just hit stage 3 with creative automation. The professionals who survive will be those who embrace AI as a superpower, not fight it as competition. The question isn't whether this will happen. Meta already confirmed it will. The question is, will you be a first mover or will you be left behind? If you want to stay ahead of the automation wave, hit subscribe. My digital clone will keep you updated on every major shift in AI and business. If you want actionable help building your future in the world of artificial intelligence, join my online school, the AI R&D Labs. Inside, we're not just teaching theories. We're sharing the exact systems my team is implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own at First Movers. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs. Don't just adapt to the future, help build it. The age of AI abundance is here. Make sure you're on the winning side. See you down the next rabbit hole.